If you're a medical professional, then you need the SSVK Nasogastric Tube Insertion Kit in your toolkit today. 1. This isn't just any kit. It's a ready-to-use complete solution. Surgical kit designed for feeding, gastric suction, decompression, and medication delivery. Designed by doctors. Perfect for hospitals, clinics, daycare center, and home care. Medical emergency room, CU, post-trauma, before surgery, palliative care patient, and poisoning patient more. We've got something for everyone, from neonates and pediatric patients to adult male and female, and options for single or double lumen tubes. Each kit contains everything you need: a nasogastric tube, disposable drip, lubricant gel, syringe, tape, gloves, a white kit box, and a user manual. Plus, extra essentials like hand sanitizer, drape, rubber, pin, and a bag. Save time, reduce errors, enhance patient care. Contact SSVK Health and Education today at ssvkhealthandeducation25@gmail.com or contact mobile number plus 91982-115-0221. Visit www.ssvkparamedics.com for more information. SSVK, your partner in precision healthcare.